हेलो नमस्ते, कैसे हैं आप लोग। मेरा नाम है तनीषा एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल तन्नू डायरीज। सो गाइस, इन टुडेज वीडियो मैं नासिक आई हुई अपनी फैमिली के साथ एक छोटी सी पूजा के लिए। मैं हूँ रामकुंड पंचवटी में और मैंने सोचा क्यों ना मैं एक ट्रैवल ब्लॉग शूट करूँ और आप लोगों को बताऊँ ये जगह के बारे में। के साथ मैं मुंबई टू नासिक एंड नासिक टू मुंबई का टाइम लैप्स और वीडियोस जो मैंने शूट किए हैं वो डाल दूँगी मैं ब्लॉग में आगे। I started my journey around 3 a.m. in the morning and it was very rainy, so there were many potholes. Now you can see the beautiful scenic time lapse of Kasara Ghat. There was beautiful waterfalls on the way. As we crossed Kasara Ghat, we got heavy fog on the way, as you can see in the video. So friends, now I should tell you all about this place known as Ramkund. So basically Ramkund is a sacred bathing ghat on the bank of Godavari river, which becomes the venue to host the spectacular Kumbh Mela. Centrally located and the focal point of Nashik, Ramkund sees hundreds of Hindu pilgrims arriving daily to bathe and pray. The ashes of dead souls are immersed here. So guys, मैं आप लोगों को ये जगह की हिस्ट्री के बारे में बता देती हूँ. So legends used to say that Ram lived in Nashik during his 14 years exile. Ramkund is believed to mark spot where Ram and his wife Sita Maya bathed. Now I will tell you how can we reach to this place, as Ramkund is centrally located in the city of Nashik. It is very easy to get over this place. If we have private vehicle, so we can directly go to the place, or if one doesn't have any private vehicle, so there are options of 3-wheeler or a bus from anywhere in the city. As I traveled from my private vehicle, so it took somewhat 3 hours to reach me to that place, and it was 166 kilometers of journey.